Experiment number 5. Subject computer application in pharmacy. Experiment number 5, and aim of the experiment is study of internet basics, networking and email messaging. So first, what is computer network? A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. So, as per the definition, computer network is set of computers where two or more computers are connected with each other for sharing the information or data. This is the computer network where two or more computers are connected with each other for the purpose of sharing the information or a resource. This is called the computer network. We can see the this is the diagram of computer network. You can see in this diagram that is there is the many computers are connected with each other for the purpose of sharing the information or data. So this is the simple definition of computer network. Many computers are connected with each other to sharing some resources. Again, next is the types of networks. The way computers are connected with each other, according to that way, the network is divided into the different types. So there is a three type according to the way computers are connected with each other. That different ways called the types of networks, and according to that connections, the networks are divided into three basic types, that is the local area network, metropolitan area network and wide area network, that is simple LAN, MAN and WAN. These are LAN, MAN and WAN. These are computer network types. There are several. The size of network can be expressed by the geographic area they occupy and the number of computers that are part of the network. So the way, in a simple language, the way computers are connected with each other, that specific way defines the network type. That particular way defines the network type. According to geographical area, the type of networks is divided into the three basic types. First one is the LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, and the WAN, wide area network. So, first diagram of LAN network. See, this is the LAN network. Simple LAN network is like a bus structure. Many computers are connected with each other like a one by one connection. The computer 1, computer 2, computer 3, 4 and 5 are connected with each other, and the server is the same for all these 5 computers. And the server is the same for these 5 computers. So these are called the LAN network. Basically, this networks like a bus structure, like a bus. One by one computer are connected with each other, and all these computers have a one server. They are sharing only one server. So see in this diagram, all 5 computers are connected with one server. File server, mail server and print server, these are the servers type, but these are the not different servers. These are all same servers, and these 5 computers share these common servers. So this network is called the LAN network. Specifically, this network belongs to small geographical area. The LAN network is belong to small geographical area. For an example, colleges or a school or any kind of offices are connected. The In that offices, the different computer are connected with each other in a LAN network. It is a small network. Area. So it is called local area network. A local area network or LAN consists of a computer network at a single site, typically an individual office building. A LAN is very useful for sharing resources such as data storage and a printer. LANs can be built with relatively expensive hardware such as hub, networks, adapters and internet cable. So this is the LAN network, the smallest LAN network. LAN network is share or occupy this small area, so it is called the LAN, local area network. The smallest LAN may only use 2 computers. With larger LAN can thousands of computers are connected with each other. A LAN typically relies mostly on wired connection or increased speed and security, but wireless connection can be also part of a LAN network. High speed and relatively low cost are the defining characteristics of the LAN network. Okay, so see again the diagram of the LAN network. This is called the LAN network because the many computers are connected with each other with a one server. So 1 to 5 computers are sharing the file server. Similarly, 1 to 5 computers are sharing the mail server, and similarly 1 to 5 computers are sharing one printer, that is the print server. So what is the disadvantage of this LAN network is, suppose that this is the 5 network which are connected with each other with this one server. Suppose imagine computer number 3 will be the out of working. Okay, suppose this computer number 3 is the out of working. So what happened because of that? 1 and 2 computer and 4 and 5 computer also cannot communicate with each other because of computer number 3 is out of working and these are sharing the same server. That's why the LAN network having the problem for the wild area. So this network cannot be used for the wild area. This network is suitable for the small area network like a college, office or any kind of home businesses, etc. Next point is the WAN network. MAN or metropolitan area network. A metropolitan area network, a MAN, consists of computer network across an entire city called across an entire city or a small region. Okay, for an example, college campus. But what kind of college campus? Which is the biggest college campus? There is the many colleges are together in a one college. For an example, pharmacy college, engineering college, MBA college, D pharmacy. This campus is the part of the LAN network, part of the MAN network. So this is the MAN network. Okay, metropolitan area network or MAN consists of computer network across an entire city. So college campus, which kind of college campus? This is the biggest campus. There are the many colleges together in a one campus or a small region. This is MAN network. This is suitable for a city area or a small region area. Third type of network is the wild area network. A wild area network or WAN, it occupies the very large area. It occupies the very large area network. See, this is the diagram of WAN network, that is the wild area network. And you can see in this diagram, when WAN network is coming, it occupies the large area. So many small networks are connected with each other in a LAN network. Many small networks are connected with each other in a LAN network. So advantage of LAN network is it occupies the large area. It occupies the large. Advantage of LAN network is it occupies the large area. So the many small networks are connected with each other and able to communicate with each other. And the LAN network is a centralized data. So the advantage, suppose that within a LAN network, within a WAN network, this LAN network will in a not working stage, but remaining one are in a working state. So communication is never stopped because of one of them is out of order. Other members are communicate with each other. So this is the advantage of WAN network. Data is a centralized, so it will be shared easily with each other, and it occupies the large area network. Many LANs are connected with each other in a WAN network. So these are three types of network: LAN, WAN and MAN, local area network, metropolitan area network, and a wild area network. After that, next concept in email is search engine. Search engine is what? A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search the information on the World Wide Web. The search results are generally presented in a line of result, often referred to as a search engine results pages. You see this diagram for the search engine. Web search engine is a software system that is designed to search the information. So I'll explain this diagram. I explain this diagram in the next video.